Assalamu alaikum everyone, once again welcome back to another video. So guys, this is Raihan Ahmed. Welcome to our speaking English practice class. So guys, let's get started. So guys, I'm somewhere at a beautiful mosque. I'm going to practice speaking English regarding a beautiful mosque. So guys, you guys are able to see a beautiful mosque. It's baking hot today, it's scorching hot today. So guys, I am not able to see because too sunny day. So this is why my eyes is being watery. So guys, you guys are able to see. I can't see or okay, too sunny weather. So I can't see. Just hang on a minute to adjust uh, with the weather. So guys, you guys are able to see I'm somewhere at a mosque. So guys, today's I'm going to practice regarding beautiful mosque. Okay, so guys, learn English step by step. Speak English with confidence. No need to perfect. You guys need confidence. No need to worry about of making mistakes, because every mistakes gives us new things to learn. Every day a new opportunity, every mistake is a new opportunity to learn something new. So guys, speak slowly but clearly, speak slowly but surely. Okay, so guys, you guys are able to see how sunny weather is. So guys, today we are going to practice regarding a beautiful mosque. Today's English speaking practice class. So guys, you guys are able to see this is a very beautiful mosque. The weather is so sunny. I have come to the mosque today. Every single day I come here, I enjoy the beauty of the mosque. There is a large gate. You guys are able to see there is a large gate. There are 3 gates. The mosque has a beautiful minaret. Okay, so guys, you guys are able to see there is a large minaret. You guys are able to see. Okay, just hang on a minute to see clearly. Look, a large minaret. Okay, large minaret. Too sunny weather, so too sunny that I cannot see, that I cannot focus my camera. Okay guys, the mosque looks very beautiful. You guys are able to see there is a large gate. The mosque looks very beautiful from outside. There is a large gate at the entrance. There are 2 gates. Okay, there are 3 gates. Okay, this is the main gate to enter the mosque. The walls of the mosque are very clean. You guys are able to see the mosque. Okay, the wall of the mosque are very clean. You guys are able to see the walls of the mosque. It is well decorated, neat and clean. You guys are able to see neat and clean, well decorated. The weather of the mosque too hot now. So surrounding area quite beautiful, amazing, outstanding. You guys are able to see. I really like the peaceful atmosphere here. Many people come here to offer prayers. People are entering the mosque. So guys, you are enjoying the beauty of the nature. People are entering the mosque quietly. Everyone talks of their shows. Okay, everyone takes off their shoes before entering. There is a shoe rack near the entrance. You guys are able to see. Just hang on a minute. There are, you guys are able to see. Just hang on a minute. Okay, because of reflection you guys aren't able to see, but there are shoe racks. Okay, so weather is so scorching hot, baking hot, as bullet. There are several windows on the walls. Fresh air comes through the windows. Okay, the mosque is surrounded by a clean area. Just hang on a minute, you guys will be able to see. The mosque is surrounded by a clean area. The trees make the area look more beautiful. Let's have a look. The trees makes the area look more beautiful. I can hear the sound of the Azan from here. Okay, so Muslim people are able to hear. Some people are performing ablution. Okay, you guys are able to see. People are preparing for the prayer. There is a place for ablution beside the mosque. So because of reflection you guys aren't able to see. There is a place for ablution beside into the inside the mosque. Okay, there is a place for ablution inside of the mosque. Because of reflection you guys aren't able to see. To sunny weather. The surrounding area are calm and quiet. I feel relaxed when I spend time here. I feel relaxed. It makes me delightful, cheerful as well. I feel relaxed when I come here. I really enjoy the place. I really enjoy the peaceful atmosphere of this place. I hope you enjoyed this short English speaking practice with me. So too hot today, scorching hot today, baking hot today. I can't see. I am not able to see properly. So guys, I would like to request, please practice every single day 15 to 20 minutes, so that you guys are able to speak with confidence. So learn English step by step, speak English with confidence, because confidence is more significant than perfection. There is no way, only practice. So I believe in myself, you should believe in yourself. You guys are able to see there is an entrance inside the mosque. There are several windows. Air comes inside of the mosque. The weather are amazing. The surrounding area looks amazing, outstanding. I really mesmerized. I consider you guys will be mesmerized to see the beauty of the mosque, beauty of the nature, beauty of the surrounding area. So you guys are able to see large minaret, scorching hot today as well. So guys, the video is going to be long, so guys, no more today. So guys, practice yourself, practice regarding your surrounding area, regarding a place, field, mosque, regarding a pond, hour, bower. Okay, so those places are really amazing, outstanding, beautiful places, so that you guys are able to practice. You guys will get a topic to practice speak regarding these places. Okay, so practice every single day, practice every single morning, evening. Okay, so that you will be able to speak English. Okay, no need to be worried regarding of making mistakes. Don't be nervous of making mistakes, because every mistake is a new opportunity to learn. Every mistakes are way to learn. Okay, so every mistakes teaches us new. So guys, no more today, see you some other time. Until then, assalamu alaikum. Please do subscribe my channel.